In this video, we'll be showing you a quick way to melt chocolate. So, taking our chocolate chips, we'll make sure to dump them into a microwave-safe bowl. And then, to add a little bit of that creamy consistency, we'll be adding a spoonful of coconut butter. With our chocolate now ready to go, we're going to go ahead and throw this into the microwave for about 15 seconds. And once the timer has gone up, we'll remove the bowl from the microwave and take a spoon. We'll begin to stir in the chocolate chips. You're basically going to repeat the process of putting it in the microwave for 15 seconds, then taking it out to stir until you have that nice creamy chocolate consistency that you're looking for. The bowl will be getting hotter as you repeat this process, so if it gets too hot, just make sure you use some sort of heat protection as to not burn yourself. Also, I would not recommend touching the chocolate as it is going to be very hot and it will stick to your skin and could potentially burn you. But after that, you should have a nice creamy consistency that you can drizzle over your favorite snack. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.